John Abraham, Nishikant Kamath, Dia Chalwad, Nora Fatehi and others were seen at the launch of the trailer Rocky Handsome at a multiplex in Mumbai. Have a look.
मैं क्रेडिट पूरे टीम को देना चाहता हूँ एंड आई थिंक एनी फिल्म इज कंप्लीट व्हेन द फुल टीम कम्स टुगेदर और ये बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है और अक्सर लोग बोलते हैं कि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से फिल्म चलती है आई थिंक दिस फिल्म और मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकता हूँ विल हैव अ वेरी 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 स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड ऑफ माउथ क्योंकि ऑडियंस इज किंग फाइनली वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि फिल्म चलती है नहीं चलती है आई एम वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दिस फिल्म क्योंकि ये फिल्म मैंने देखी है एंड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली outstanding. I love it, but that's also because I'm a big fan of Nishikant Kamath and I love his work.
John, last time when we had spoken, you said that the film boasts of never seen before action, which is rightly seen in the trailer. Was there any kind of preparation that you had to do for doing this kind of action?
Yeah, so I went off to Thailand for I think a little less than a month, and I trained in especially the knife action that you see. So even if the knives are blunt, they really hurt. So I remember when I used to go in for a shower in the evening, I used to remember the action in the day. Because the whole body was black and blue during training. But I think it all paid off because my director gave me a brief and he said the action has to be of a certain caliber. And I think we've achieved that with this film. So it's like I say, it's real action. It's not kung fu, it's not karate, it's not CG, but it's real action, and you can believe it that this guy is hitting people, they are getting hurt.
Acting and direction.
Yeah.
Very honestly, extremely difficult. I have never done it before. I've done separately. I've acted at. I've done my share of theatre and everything. It is difficult, and I respect those legends who have done it before, like the greats who have been actor directors for generations and successful. The biggest problem I face is if I'm acting, I'm thinking like a director, whether the opposite actor is performing well or not, the trolley position is correct or not, the lights are correct or not, and that disturbs my performance. So I don't make justice to my own acting if I'm directing at the same time. So in fact, it was a last moment thing that I had to act in the film. Ideally, I will not direct myself as an actor. I will try and avoid it.
Doing two back-to-back action film, one is Rocky Handsome, another is Force, and both the films are said to have taken the action to the next level. So how differently have you approached the action in both films?
Force has got a completely different brief and a different kind of an action. Force 2. Force is directed by Nishi. Rocky Handsome, of course, we really wanted to take the action to the next level, and we wanted to make sure that what the country was missing was real action heroes. And if you see the best action heroes internationally, correct me if I'm wrong, would be Stallone, would be Bruce Willis, would be Schwarzenegger, would be Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. These are your big action heroes, and it's not about the action as much as it is about the attitude. And I think that's what we try to maintain, the right balance of body, action and the attitude. हम लोग दोनों autopilot पे हैं, really. I think it's a beautiful relationship और मैं मानता हूँ कि there are few relationships that are very special और उनमें से there is a director-actor relationship. जब भी उनका ये relationship बनता है, I think it's very special. और निशी और मेरा ये relationship बन चुका है और मैं काफ़ी एक्चुअली मैं डरता हूँ कि वो भाग जाएगा कहीं पे ऐसे निशी लेट्स डू समथिंग सो आई एम ऑलवेज आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ हिज डोंबिवली फास्ट मुंबई मेरी जान लई भारी जो दृश्यम जितनी सारी फोर्स ऑफ कोर्स आवर फिल्म टुगेदर यू सी एवरी फिल्म ऑफ हिज आई थिंक निशी इज ऑनेस्टली मार्केटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है आप लोग फिल्म देखते हो ही इज अ फैंटास्टिक डायरेक्टर
We also hear that there is some trouble with the censor board in getting them to give you an US certificate. So
No, there was no trouble.
okay.
We went to the censors, we asked for UA. They said, I think we should go with A. We respected them. We took
You're
it,
happy with
basically.
that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.